Okay, welcome back to the channel. So today, we got a couple things coming up. Took the Honda Africa Twin out for a quick spin to warm it up. It's doing great. Just trying to figure out a way to trade that in. And bike prices are all over the place. I reached out to a dealership called Carl Malone in Glenwood, and they said they would give me $8,500 for that. It currently has 3,475 miles on it. And I would sell it to private party, but I'm not quite done paying it off. So that's why I was going to try and trade it in for something else. With that price tag, that's a slap in the face. So I do have a couple feelers out to other dealerships though, just in case. But in the meantime, the XR500R is back. It never left, it was just in the shed. And I took it for a spin around the block. It's surging at idle. And when I get off the gas, when I'm driving it around, it pops and bangs. So that's telling me that it's a lean fuel mixture or something like that. And I think it's time to bust the carb open, see what jet we're working with, and then see if we can solve that. Because I'd love to potentially get this thing on the trail in April, worst case, and then maybe I could make it street legal. It's got Kenda DOT tires front and rear. All it would really need is a horn, brake light, a working headlight, and then we should be good, although the drum brakes leave a lot to be desired. So yeah, I don't know. Worst case, I want to get this thing running right. Best case, it becomes a street legal little dirt bike. I'm going to the Dusty Lizard in Moab in April, so I wanted to bring that. I also wanted to bring a smaller street legal dirt bike because Moab trails are scary on something like this. I don't think any of my plans are working out, so let's work on something we can control and focus on this carburetor and get to it. All right, let's take the gas tank off. Fuel hose off. Okay, I am going to take off this fitting first, and then this one. Get that separated. Now let's see if we can get the carb out. So put you guys down in a safe spot. And start wiggling. All right, there we go. Okay. Now that we've got carb out, let's start taking it apart. And I think the pilot jet can come out by itself. I'm about to find out. This screw right here. Oh, okay. So that is a, looks like an idle mixture. Yep. That does not look correct. There's a zip tie in there. All right. I don't get what that zip tie would be for. Cool. So this is a 55 jet. Let's see what we got. I'm not sure if I'll have anything that'll fit, but... Okay, so I've got the old 55 jet that was in there. And here's the new 55 jet. You probably can't see it. Let's see if we can shine some light through there. 1 second. You can't really tell, but the current 55 jet is exceptionally clogged. And I'm gonna just replace it with the same size because it looks like that could be playing a factor. All right, so garbage, well, I won't throw it away. I'll probably clean it out. We'll put the new one in. That should help with our idling issue. And now this 145 jet. Or even just clean it out. All right, let's see. I'm gonna adjust this tab to increase the float level. Let's work on the slide and see if we can increase that. That should be good enough to take care of our fueling issues. I don't know how we can adjust that, so we might not. Just gonna live with it for now. If this doesn't solve the issue of our little idling issue, I will replace the carburetor. There's plenty of good aftermarket stuff out there, so. Throw this carb back in. See if we cannot destroy anything. And I see a little bit of interference here, so I'm just gonna cut some rubber off. Got that back on. We'll put this fuel hose back on. I'm gonna have to get a new one at some point. That's fine for now. We'll give it a little test fire. But first, turn on the fuel. Make sure there's no leaking. Well, that was great. Finally a success. The XR is killing my foot, killing my shin. So, all right, that's it for this one. We got the XR500 running perfect. I wouldn't say perfect, but it's idling nicely. Not stalling on me every 2 seconds. Clogged carburetor. So, good to know. All right, make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.